Good morning, class. Welcome to Science PT School. This is the science class, and in previous class we were doing chapter number 3, that is reproduction in animals. So today we have covered topic up to, I think, question number. Okay, I think we have covered up to this grasshopper, right? So today we are going to see the life cycle of grasshopper. So all the students are requested to please take out your books, take out page number 171. Okay, we will start from here. The first, second, third paragraph. The eggs of insects like dragonfly. So the eggs of insects like dragonfly, cockroach, and grasshopper hatch into young ones called nymph. So grasshopper or sorry grass. Okay, so in last class we were discussing about that the all the like all the living beings has a definite life cycle, like definite life stage. Like for us, we when we take birth we are infant, then after that we becomes kid or children, and then we turn into adult, and then we turn into like old woman. So this is the life cycle stages. So every animals follow the same thing. And in last class we have discussed the life cycle, life stages of frog. Now today we are going to discuss about the life stages of grasshoppers. The first line is written here: the eggs of insects like dragonfly, eggs of insects like dragonfly, cockroach, and grasshopper hatch into young ones called nymph. तो सबसे पहला जो स्टेज होता है that is called nymph. After the eggs cracks and the baby comes out of the dragonfly or cockroach or the grasshopper, that baby is called nymph. The nymph resembles the adults except in their size and color. They shed their skin several times and grow into adults. Shading of old skin is called molting. Okay, so the process of shedding the old skin, that is called molting. So क्या होता है कि मतलब जब वो nymph में convert होता है, you can see when it is converted into nymph, it is almost look like their parent only. Okay, they almost look like their parent only, but only the difference between their skin, इनका color थोड़ा bright होता है, but it this colors little bit like yellowish, right? You can see yes, a clear difference. सो द प्रोसेस टेक्स इन बिटवीन, यहाँ पे एक मोल्टिंग प्रोसेस टेक्स होता है जिसके ऊपर में उनकी स्किन की कलर चेंज होती है, ऊपर की स्किन हटती है एंड द न्यू स्किन कम्स आउट. So that process is called molting. Very important. Shedding of the old skin is called molting. The life cycle of these insects has only 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. So this one is egg, this one is nymph, and this one is adult. You, if you want to label it, you can label it here nymph. Okay, this is called simple metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, इस process को metamorphosis भी बोलते हैं. The same thing happened in the frogs case also. Frog में there was I think 4 stages. First egg turns into tadpole, and tadpole turns into again tadpole with the legs, and then young frog, and then frog. But that process is also called metamorphosis. So the life cycle of insects like butterfly, housefly, mosquito consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The larva and the pupa look very different from adult insect, so this is called complete metamorphosis. So larva and the pupa look very different from the adult insect, so it is called complete metamorphosis. तो लार्वा और जो प्यूपा स्टेज होता है, इसमें जो यंग वन से that doesn't look like their parent at all, so that's why this is called huge metamorphosis, or you can say complete metamorphosis. Okay, बटरफ्लाई, हाउसफ्लाई, मॉस्किटो में 4 स्टेजेस होते हैं एज लाइक फ्रॉग. उनके फर्स्ट स्टेज होते हैं इज कॉल्ड एग. आफ्टर व्हेन दे इट ग्रोज इट इज कॉल्ड लार्वा. लार्वा के बाद प्यूपा एंड देन एडल्ट. इट इज़ ओनली फॉर बटरफ्लाई, हाउसफ्लाई एंड मॉस्किटो. ओके, एंड larva and pupa doesn't look like their parent, so that is called complete metamorphosis. Now turn the page. Okay, turn the page and come to the page number 172. You will see, you know that a butterfly lay its eggs underneath the surface of leaves. These eggs hatch into larva. A larva looks like a worm. Okay, you can see here the stages of butterfly has been given. Butterfly first lay the eggs on the leaves, and then it turns into pupa. Okay, then pupa turns into caterpillar, caterpillar turns into chrysalis, and chrysalis turns into butterfly. So you know that a butterfly lays its egg underneath the surface of leaves. These eggs hatches into larva. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे एक स्टेज यहाँ पे नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट दिस एग्स व्हेन बेबी कम्स आउट ऑफ दिस एग्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड लार्वा. Okay, after larva turns into pupa, a larva looks like a worm. It feeds on leaves for many days and becomes bigger in size. इस पे ही ये ग्रो करता है, that is called larva. So you can see यहाँ इस तरह से स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा, and this is called larva. Okay, it then stops eating and grows a shell-like cover called cocoon around it. This stage is called pupa. After a few days of resting in this stage, the pupa bursts open and adult insect emerges out. Okay, so pupa भी after like a certain period, it then stops eating and grows a shell-like cover called cocoon. इनके ऊपर एक कवर फॉर्म हो जाता है. Okay, the upper layer is called cocoon. This stage is called pupa. After a few days of resting in this stage, pupa burst and open into adult insects. Okay, that is called adult insects emerges out. Larva of different insects have different names. Example, butterfly के larva of different insects have different names. Butterfly की larva को बोलते हैं caterpillar. Housefly that is called maggot, and mosquito wriggler. Reproduction by giving birth to young ones. Now we will see reproduction by giving birth to young ones that occurs in human being or like cat or dog. They used to give young ones, not eggs. You must have seen dogs surrounded by pups or a calf following a cow. Yes, we all have seen. Some animals like dogs, cat, lion, cows, elephants, zebra, etc. give birth to young ones and also feed them with their milk. Yes, because all the young ones used to feed on their parents' milk. Such animals are called mammals. इस तरह के animals को हम बोलते हैं mammals. The embryo is formed in the body of female animal. It stays there for some weeks and gradually develops all the organs. Organs are already developed, but they are very small. But very soon what happens? It grows into it stays there for some week and gradually develops all the organs. Yes, in the female, like a female fetus, body, when he is not come out, so in the stomach only they used to develop all the organs. Okay, फीमेल एनिमल की बॉडी में रहता है. द न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज आर टाइनी, वीक एंड डेलिकेट. द मदर्स फीड देम विद देयर मिल्क एंड प्रोटेक्ट देम till they learn to look after themselves. Bats can fly and they look like a birds, but they are actually the mammals. Bats are also looks like a bird, and we can assume that might be they also give young ones, but no, bats are also mammals. They also used to give the young ones only. Dolphins and whales are also mammals, lives in water. Of all the animals, mammals and birds are the most caring parents. सारे parents में mammals और birds को most caring माना जाता है. Now important point is given here. Duck-billed platypus and echidna are mammals, but they reproduce by laying eggs. Duck-billed or platypus or echidna are the mammals. Okay, so always the exception is there. So duck-billed and platypus though comes in a mammal, but they used to lay eggs, and after that they used to turn into young ones. Okay, young ones comes out from the egg. In this way we have completed this chapter. In next class what we are going to do, we will start with the question and answers. So till the time what you are going to do, start reading the chapter, note all the important points. Important points are also given here. You can go through all these points, and from next class we will start the question answer. Till the time, take care and bye bye.